What up? Got a 2014 Honda Accord, and we're doing the alternator. First thing you want to do is disconnect your negative cable. We took the whole battery out. Next thing you want to do, take out your electrical connector. That's going to be a 12 millimeter. And I went ahead and disconnected this one down here, which goes to the AC compressor, so that, you know what I'm saying, then you can take a little trim tool, just pull your little stuff out of here. Your tensioner is right here. This is 17 millimeter. So I'm gonna just take this right here, just take it like that, pull it towards you like that, and then that belt gonna come right off, just like that. Set that to the side. Now you got a 14 right there. That's a 14 millimeter. We're gonna have to take this tension out too, because there's a bolt right behind it. So for your tension, there's a bolt right there. Right there. It's like a 10 or a 12. I think it's a 12. And then there's an 8 millimeter hex bolt right behind it. I'll show you in just a minute. We're gonna move that tension out the way. Then we get the bolt behind this, and that shit come up out of there. Okay, so the guy that did this before me, he stripped out the 8 millimeter. There's an 8 millimeter that goes right inside here, right? But he stripped it out. So my 8 millimeter keeps slipping. So what I had to do was take a pry bar, right? I put the pry bar between here, and I pushed up the tensioner over. You know what I'm saying? So that I could come in here this way with a extension, with a swivel. And I just came in this way, and I took it out, and then I unscrewed it by hand. That's how I had to get it out, because somebody before me done fucked up that bolt. So I just had to slide it off that pivot right there. But that's, if somebody ever stripped that bolt out right there, that's the only way you're gonna get it out. Hey man, you see what I did just right there? You see how I got that alternator replaced? And you know what I'm saying, that I couldn't even get the tensioner out. So I had to figure out a way, you know what I'm saying? I was gonna take out the whole goddamn motor mount bracket, you know what I'm saying, with the alternator on it. But that's, you know what I'm saying, that's if somebody, see, he told me that somebody had replaced it, the alternator, like a year ago. You know what I'm saying? So the dude that did it a year ago, he wouldn't come back out. And you know why? Because he know he fucked up. He know he stripped that goddamn 8 millimeter bolt going to the tensioner. And now I got to goddamn fix his fuck up. You know what I'm saying? So this is the type of calls I get. You know what I'm saying? This is the type of shit. See, people call me after everybody done been out there already. You know what I'm saying? I'll be like the third, fourth guy. Everybody be like, oh, 3, 4 guys done came out. I'm the last motherfucker they call, and I'm the last motherfucker they ever gonna call. Cause after I leave, job done. You know what I'm saying? But this is the type of shit I be doing. But that's, you see how I did that. So all I did is I took a pry bar and I just slid it over. You know what I'm saying? And then what's gonna hold the tensioner on is the bottom 12 millimeter bolt. That's what's gonna hold your tensioner. So you ain't got to worry about the tensioner sliding off or nothing like that. But if you strip out that goddamn bolt, the 8 millimeter to the tensioner, that's the only way you're gonna get that damn alternator out of there. You know what I'm saying? Yo, so ain't nobody else would have figured that shit out. You know what I'm saying? So if you like that video, you know what I'm saying, you like these pro tips, ain't nobody else doing this shit like me, baby. Ain't nobody else doing this shit like me. You know what I'm saying? Subscribe to the video, like the video and shit. Peace.